Oh boy, what have we got here, honey? Oh my goodness. Is this your October 2021 BARKBOX? Hi and welcome to Dexter's October 2021 BARKBOX unboxing. Oh my goodness. Actually, October is the first month that Dexter ever got his BARKBOX, so it's now been 1 full year and he has been loving it. And oh my goodness, I was so excited because look what he just grabbed. This is his Mousy, and it has been his favorite toy out of every single BARKBOX. I think he literally just ran away with it. And that little mouse in a sweater has been his favorite toy ever, and it lasted him so long, and then he finally destroyed it, but he's still been playing with just the little like squeaky ball inside of it. But I was so excited that BARKBOX offered it again so that I could get him a replacement. And literally as soon as I ordered it, he destroyed his old one. So he absolutely loves that. I don't know what it is about that toy, but he loves it. But anyways, on to the unboxing, which by the way, this is a monthly dog toy and treat subscription box, and it costs $25 a month, and you always get 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, and a chew. And they do the most adorable themes. You can actually hear Dexter squeaking his toy up there. But so, Dexter, you want to see your other toys? He just came running because he wants to see what else is in his box. So he got practical yolks, rotten eggs. Oh my goodness. This toy is so funny. Let's see what's in this little box. Some eggs. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. The other toy here is like a squeaky pumpkin thing. Dexter says, I will take that. And the treats that he got, Dexter loves the treats. And you get 2 bags, and he goes through about 1 bag a month, so it is a great amount. This is the gobbled jerky sticks. Oh, and he likes these too, the pumpkin and honey recipe small chews. And what else did you get? Gobble soft bakes turkey recipe. Oh, he knows these bags. He knows that he gets treats when he sees these bags, right? You love your treats, honey. And so here you can see everything that you could have gotten in the October box, which this is such a cute theme. So he got the, smashing pumpkin. So, oh my gosh, look at that one. That is so funny. A cat. Oh. And then he got this one too. This is so adorable. These unboxings are always so quick because Dexter wants to get onto the toys and I have to make sure I take off that tag. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Oh my gosh, look, I didn't even clean up his other toys before starting this, but that little mushroom he got recently in BARKBOX that he loves. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this unboxing today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video.